All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today, and let's not forget Drip Network. Get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day with Drip Network. Well, today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance. The coin is up right this second. Go to their Twitter account, give a little update, a deep dive, and at the end, figure out where the price is going to be. All kinds of good stuff. And then also, we're going to be talking about those cryptocurrency Super Bowl commercials. There's a lot of apps that were downloaded, 280% uptick on downloading all the different companies from the Super Bowl. All kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to VVS Finance. Hey, did you know that VVS Finance stands for Very, Very Simple Finance? All right, right here at CoinMarketCap, 466 VVS Finance. It's up almost 9%, 8.62% in the last 7 days. That's fantastic. Down a little bit in the 24 hours. Let's go ahead and click it. There's 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 29.19. We'll come back to a price prediction when we're done. Down about 2% today. Taking a look in the last 7 days, yep, this token is up about 8%. This is where it was at. Look at where it's at now. So up 8%, almost 9% in the last 7 days. And it says right here, if you would like to buy VVS Finance, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading the VVS Finance stocking are BitGet, crypto.com, and VVS Finance. So all kinds of good stuff there if you want to do some trading of the VVS. Up here at their website, on their Twitter account, a couple good announcements. Right here today, multi-rewards on the Crystal Farms and the TUSD glitter mines are officially live. Rewards will last for about 60 days. Happy mining. So it's officially starting today. The TUSD and the USDC multi-reward Crystal Farms are live as of today. Here's some awesome stuff. Deposits and withdrawal of TUSD via Cronus Network has just been enabled on crypto.com app. So you can go on crypto.com and actually go ahead and use deposit and withdraw the TUSD. On the Cronus network, Cronus deposit and withdrawal are enabled for the TUSD. So that's pretty big stuff right there, everybody. Look at that. And here's what we just talked about. A huge welcome to TUSD official to the Cronus chain and the VVS Finance. To celebrate the occasion, we'll be launching the TUSD USDC multi-reward Crystal Farms and the TUSD glitter mine on March 3rd, which is today. So again, and you get rewards that will last for about 60 days. So you want to get over there and do that, everybody. All right, over here at the website, VVS Finance, like I was saying, look what it stands for. VVS Finance, very, very simple DeFi for trading for all. VVS Finance. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finance and earn sparkly VVS rewards. About VVS Finance. We aim to make DeFi simple and within reach. Billions, low fees, transaction fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. The low fees is important. Over here to the left here, shiny yield farming opportunities. Stream your passive income to multiple assets. The rarest, brightest yield farming in the VVS farms. Clear incentives for all. Token economics and incentives built for long-term value creation. Our minds will always be bountiful. Hardened security and governance. Designed with security in mind and community governance at heart. Platform governance will pass gradual to the community. So awesome stuff there. Now here's the point. Choose your path to join the DeFi movement today. Got 3 options. You can do all 3 or you can pick one of the 3. And again, there's no number 1. They're all important. Be a DeFi trader. Swap instantly. Instant swap tokens with low fees, slippage. Keep your eye out for new pairs and new token listings. The middle one, be a liquidity provider. Low minimum. Supply tokens, pairs, and receive liquidity providing LP tokens. Collections, transaction fees, farmy, skinny VVS rewards. The third one here, be a VVS miner. Now, you know I like the way that sounds. And what's the next thing? Your passive income. Ding, ding, ding. Crystallize your VVS tokens, staking for fixed amounts to receive even more VVS Finance tokens. Stake and forget that simple. VVS Finance. As we go down here, it says VVS tokens are at the core of VVS Finance. We're going to come back to this. So yeah, everybody, VVS Finance. Do you want to be a miner? Do you want to stake it? Do you want to swap it? All kinds of opportunities. You can go there right now. They're paying mining rewards for an extra 60 days on the new one that just opened up. All kinds of good stuff. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's talk about these Super Bowl commercials and downloading the app. Spike in 280%. Were you one of the people that actually downloaded it? I actually downloaded KuCoins on my app, so I do got that on my phone now. Not because of the Super Bowl, but I just getting some more things on my phones. All right, right here, crypto apps downloaded spike 280% following the Super Bowl ads. What's all this about? Companies seem to be reaping the benefits of the Super Bowl advertisements in more than one ways. App downloads. In the cryptocurrency space, one ad stood for almost all others. Crypto exchange, you know it. Coinbase ad, that ad that was bouncing around the screen, the QR code, it basically bounced for about 60 seconds. On Super Bowl Sunday, Coinbase downloaded increased 309% week over the week before, and an increase of 286% the following day. So that's a huge 309% according to the data. However, Coinbase wasn't the only crypto app that performed well. 3 of the top 5 applications saw substantial increases in download from the crypto apps. The number of the eToro download apps increased 132%, while FTX saw a big surge too. So take a look at this right here at this chart. So Coinbase got 309% more. DraftKings had 197%. eToro was 132%, and there's the FTX was 130. All these other ones aren't really crypto apps. AMC is not a crypto app. Carvana's a car app. But FTX up 130, eToro up 132, Coinbase up 309. Super Bowl downloads, oh boy. So when you watch the Super Bowl, did you like the QR code bouncing around? Did that get you to basically do the QR thing and actually download it onto your phone and stuff? Were you one of those 3 companies? Did you download it for the Super Bowl? Make sure you leave your comments in the bottom. Hey, we're going to talk about crabs real quick for a second. Crabana. Hey, I want to go over and show you over here at the crab game. Crabs right now are down. If you were going to buy crabs before, this may be a good time to buy them just because the prices are down a lot right this second. I don't know if you checked out this game, but this is a fantastic way to get passive income. Like these bulk crabs right here, $1,283 depending on if you're looking for what the breeding count's going to be. All right, so this crab right here, it's got 0 breeds up at the top, $1,600. Right, this one right here. This was at $2,800 about a month ago. So I just want to kind of show you that. The crab game, very popular. People are liking this game. It's another passive income. I don't know if you're into this, but take a look at it. You can kind of go to their home screen. On their home screen, there's actually a video at the bottom here that kind of explains everything. All right, let's head back over to VVS Finance. All right, over here, VVS Finance. VVS Tokens is at the core of the VVS Finance. Value, utilities, and governance. Value is stake for rewards, the bread and butter for our miners. Stake VVS and earn VVS. Utility, stake and join. That's coming soon. Governance, hold to vote. VVS. Community, we're a simple group. Join our group and become a follower of the community. So VVS over here, you got your dashboard. You can kind of click it. You got your crystal farms. You got my mines, my liquidities, all the different things you got going on. To earn, you can click earn at the top. Kind of tells you the different things. I know there was a crow and a tonic that was really, really good. I was looking at before. Right here, crow and tonic. Take a look. It's at 60 APY. Well, right below it, it's at 115. But here's where you're going to earn. You throw your money in there. Over here to the right, you would connect your wallet and get yourself going and connected. All right, so this token is up right this second. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 29.19. What's our price prediction? 4 zeros and a 33.33. I think it's going to go up a little bit. All our information, again, is for educational purposes. Not a financial planner. We're all just friends here sharing information and learning together. But nice cryptocurrency. Definitely like the VVS Finance. Right over here at number 464 on the coin market cap. Just to do the top 7 here. We got Luna up 67% in the last 7 days. Has that one passed your radar? This coin was at $60. Now it's at $192. Don't let that sneak around. XRP is up 18%. BNB is up 18%. Take a look at that. Ethereum's up 16%. And even Bitcoin is at over 43,000. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, a little VVS Finance. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. We like sharing crypto projects here and crypto things. The crab game, you may want to check that out. If you were ever going to get in the crab game with the prices being down on crabs, just like being a real farmer. If the price of goats were down and you're into goats, you go buy the goats. If you're into crabs, you buy the crabs. If you like the crab game, get into the crab game because the price is a little lower. Again, make sure you research it and all that other good stuff, but if you're into that. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click right here to hear about Drip Network. Get 365% back, 1% back every single day. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and you have a fantastic day.